Well, we have Klaus on point here on a really tight sitting sharptail. He ends up relocating a few times, but really nice piece of dog work by Klaus.
Klaus. Klaus. He's saying something's here. Klaus. Wow. Good boy. Atta boy. There goes another. Out.
Klaus is on point again, and this one ends up being a really large cubby that's quite a ways in front of him, but we do end up getting one.
Klaus, fetch him. Klaus. Klaus. Fetch him. Should have had a double there. There you go. Fetch him. Fetch him. Atta boy, good. Ooh, he's struggling a little bit. I didn't hit him very hard. He's giving you a whooping, isn't he, Klaus? Good, I moved those into dads, the field dads hunting out. Well, good start to the morning so far. Look at that. I don't know, 15 minutes in maybe.
Klaus ended up stopping to flush on this one, and I turned the camera on because I had a feeling there would be more birds hanging around, and I ended up being right.
Klaus screwed up there. That's unlike Mr. Klaus. Well, now we're done. And I dusted that one. Atta boy. Good. Out. Well, there's our birds. Time to go chase Huns.
Well, I ended up moving fields to one that has a few more Huns in it. Once again, I've got Klaus on the ground, and this actually ends up being his first Hun. It's a nice little piece of dog work by him.
Attaboy, good. That's Klausy boy's first hunt. My first hunt was actually on this trip, and old Nick's pointed it. I didn't actually get it on video, but there was some really nice dog work on Klaus. By Klaus, these birds are trying to run downwind, trying to be real snaky, and Klaus is Mr. Experience, so he knows how to handle that. But what a nice piece of dog work. Killed one again. Klaus. Gosh, I should have killed two there. That should have been easy double. Attaboy, buddy. Attaboy. Out. Here we go. Got another one. It's the second of the day. More great work by Mr. Klaus. A cow over this tree. This ridge. Oh. Klaus! 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 Fetch him! Klaus! Fetch him in here. Klaus! Right up in here, fetch him. Klaus! 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 Right in here, bub. Fetch him up. Find him. Fetch him, buddy. Klaus, fetch him. gas now. Need some water, buddy? Klaus! Gosh, he's not staying in this area. Klaus! Right in here! I see it there. There you go, attaboy. Attaboy, buddy. Good dog. Good dog. Out. Well, there's the third bird for the day. And now we are done. What a great way to end this trip.
Well, on the way out of the field, Klaus ends up going on point, and what do you know? It's another covey of Huns. It's a good little piece of dog work by Klaus.
Oh, look at that. Whoop. Good. Big old covey of Huns. Gosh, Klaus. Klaus, you're a stud. Yeah, you are, buddy. You're a big stud muffin. Well, guys, that is a wrap for North Dakota 2024. Just finished my limit of Huns off for the last day. Actually, that's my only limit of Huns I got when I was here. Had a few days where I shot 2, but seemed like later in the trip I kind of finally figured the Huns out. So that felt good, but it's a really good trip. We shot a lot of grouse, had some really nice dog work, and it was worth the drive. That's all I gotta say. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll be back soon. Hopefully the next episode will be some prairie chickens in South Dakota. So thanks for watching.